Okay, today I'm going to be making a Himalayan pink salt scrub, grapefruit scented. So here we go. Super easy. It's just 4 parts salt to 1 part coconut oil. Grab a coconut oil. So just depending on, this is the coconut oil I use. Just depending on how much you want to make, you can figure it out from there. So I want to fill these small jars, and I think if I just do 1 cup salt and a 1/4 cup coconut oil, that should be good, to where I don't have extra. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so 1 cup pink Himalayan sea salt, and I'll leave a link in the description for that. And a 1/4 cup coconut oil. And you literally just mix it together and put it in the jars. I'm going to put a lot of essential oil because I like it to be heavily scented, and I love grapefruit. So I'm probably going to do 15 to 20 drops. There, that should be good. And then after I mix it, I'll smell it, and if it smells good enough to me, then I'll leave it. And if not, I'll just add some more. I love this because it's really scrubby. I don't like how you buy scrubs in the store and they're not scrubby, if you know what I mean. Like they just have those little micro beads. That's not enough for me. I want it to get all that dead skin off. So I like it really scrubby. You can do this exact same thing with sugar, brown sugar, coconut sugar, white sugar, same ratios. Yeah, I think this looks good. Let's smell it. I think it needs more. So that was about 15 more drops. I couldn't smell it. All I could smell was the coconut, so. Oh, that's yummy. That smells so good. I think I'm gonna do 5 more. So about 35 drops of essential oil. And that's if you want it heavily scented, which I do. When I'm in the shower, I want to be able to smell it. Or if I just use this on my hands, I want to be able to smell it. It's refreshing. Perfect. It smells like candy. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put it in the jars. Sorry if the light keeps changing. The clouds keep going over the sun. So I want to leave a little room in there to be able to dig my fingers in. I don't want it all the way to the top where if I dig, it overflows. So that's good right there. I think this is going to be just enough. Yep. Perfect. Maybe it could have used a little more in that one, huh? Even it out. By the way, this makes really great gifts. I'm not making it too pretty because these are just for me, so. All right, and there you have it. Pink Himalayan salt, grapefruit, coconut oil scrub.